take a very important topic, that is ozone layer depletion from environment chapter. So first you should know about ozone. The formula of ozone is O3 and it consists 3 oxygen atom, and although it is a very poisonous gas, but it forms a protective layer around the earth. As you can see in this diagram, this is a earth and this yellow color indicate the ozone layer. So, and always it is found in top layer, that is stratosphere of atmosphere. And the function of this ozone layer, that it protects the surface of earth from ultraviolet UV radiation. Now the question is, why there is a need of protection from UV radiation? So answer is, because the sunlight, when the sunlight falls on the earth's surface, so this layer doesn't allow, because this sunlight is a combination of different radiation, and this UV radiation is one of them, and which is very harmful for the earth. So this layer, this yellow layer, this ozone layer doesn't allow this UV rays into the earth's atmosphere. It allows other radiation like microwave, radio wave, infrared, but except UV radiation, because which is very harmful for the earth. So what are the harmful effects of UV radiation on earth? Here, it damages the immune system of organisms. This UV radiation damages the immune system of all the living organisms that live on earth. And other dangerous effect is it causes skin cancer also. So that's why there is a need of forming a layer, protective layer of ozone around the earth. Now next question is, how this ozone layer is formed? So the step is, as you all are aware that this oxygen molecule are always present in earth atmosphere. So in the presence of this UV rays, UV radiation, this O2 molecule split it into 2 O atom, and these O atom are very unstable in nature. So very quickly these oxygen atom combine with other oxygen molecules that are already available in the earth atmosphere and forms a molecule of ozone. And once so many molecules of ozone are formed, it forms a protective layer around the earth. So this is the process when this ozone layer is formed. Now come to the topic depletion of ozone layer. You might have heard this word depletion through newspaper. This means the amount of ozone is getting reduced in atmosphere. Now the question is, what is the reason of this amount of ozone is getting reduced? The answer is this CFC compound. This CFC is responsible for ozone layer depletion. This CFC full form is chlorofluorocarbon. This full form of this CFC is very important for exam point of view. So CFC, now the question is, from where it is released into the environment, into the atmosphere. So these 3 things are responsible to release CFC in the atmosphere: refrigerator, fire extinguisher, and air conditioners release CFC in the atmosphere. Up now, I tell you about that how CFC is responsible for depletion of ozone layer. So this CFC, mainly the chlorine amount present in very high amount. So chlorine is present in very high amount, and this CFC is gaseous in form. Due to gaseous form, it is very light in weight. So once it is released into the atmosphere, it rises up. It rises up. When it rises up, because it is very light in weight, when it rises up, then the Cl2 present in CFC react with ozone molecule, and what will it form? ClO, and oxygen is formed. Now you can see one Cl2 react with ozone molecule, then O3 molecule, this ozone molecule is getting converted into oxygen molecule. It means more CFC is released in the environment, more Cl2 is formed, and more such kind of reaction will be happen in the atmosphere, and more ozone molecule is getting converted into oxygen molecule. It means the overall amount of ozone is getting reduced, and the ozone layer is becoming thin day by day. So overall, this CFC is responsible for ozone layer depletion. Now, I tell you about the preventive measures is taken by the government. So in 1987, UNEP is the organization or is the program. Under this program, the full form of this program, United Nations Environment Program. Under this program, all developed countries signed an agreement to stop the production of CFC. So it was decided by all developed countries in 1987 to stop the production of CFC. So this was the preventive measure taken by the government in 1987. So this is all about the topic depletion of ozone layer from the environment chapter for class 10. I hope and I have covered all the topics under this topic, because small questions, short questions can come related to this topic, and I have covered all the topic. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, then do subscribe and share. Goodbye.